creating room closures, and creating a booking. From time to time, properties will need to withhold specific room inventory from being available for guest booking, effectively categorizing room closures for a specific time period. The first step is to select the specific room or rooms to be closed in the list. Then enter the closure time and closure reason in the field Add Room Closure. When a closure window is entered, a brown bar will appear on the calendar to highlight the chosen time. To create a booking, you click this button. Enter the necessary information: name of guest, booking source, for example, mobile, email, or walk-in, the check-in and check-out date. Upon selecting the Add New Item tab, there are additional fields to complete, including room type, rate plan, booking value and booking status, before clicking Save. An important point to note is that when an offline booking, such as a walk-in, is added to the front desk calendar, the system will automatically decrease the available room allotments and push an update of the available room quantities to all connected online sales and distribution channels via the Channel Manager.